In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set your environment variable for every app you download on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Very simple. So let's say we've downloaded an app. So we move to our file explorer here. Mostly anything you download and install on your Windows PC, you should find it at your PC here, and you move to your local disks. So it depends on, my PC has two different disks, but then for a situation in which you have a single one, you're going to find only a local disk here. So you open that, and mostly it's at the program files, every file you install here. So we are going to use this as an example. You can see I have my SQL here, but then we are going to use this here, ffmpeg, so now we open that. Good. So if you would have to set up an environment variable, you always see a bin in that folder of the app you downloaded. So now let's double tap and you see the bin here. So open the bin. So what you're going to do is you copy let's open it once again, open the bin again, and then we copy the link or the path, right? That's the notion. So we copy the path. So you just put your cursor on top here, copy the path. After copying it, you are done. Come back here, move to your control panel. That's where you're going to find your environment variable. So we tap on that. Good. And on here, that's when we search the environment. And when we start searching, we are going to find that. So we tap on the edit. So when you hop on this section here, what you're going to do is you're going to work on the path. Just like I said, we copied the path. So you just double tap path there, and you're going to see a couple paths here as well. So you just tap on new to add a new one. So you paste the path you copied first. Now you press on OK, here, and it's done. So now to verify whether you've set the environment variable well for the app you installed on your Windows PC, you just have to run a command. So let's move to command prompt. Good. And I think for most apps, for Java, for Python, for everything, I think it is your version or something like that. It's something or version. So for this app is ffmpeg. And then for some apps, it's double dash. For Python, it's double. For Java, I think it's a single dash. And then you enter version. I didn't write it well. It's ffmpeg and 1.2 and version. Good. And you can see it's installed here. Every information should appear here. If I had Python, it's going to be Python, and then the version, and then the double dash, I think, and the version. For Java, it's a single dash. For that one, I remember. So that's it on how you set environment variable on your Windows PC. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. You have any question, or you're trying to do something and it's not working, you can let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.